gonna be changing out the suspension from the Forester. One, I'm gonna make it a little higher. I'll show you what it looks like right now. Mainly on the rear. One, two, because I'm tired of breaking my mud flap. That's the second one. Literally just bought one. Got it in 3 days ago and it broke already. So I'm gonna be raising the backs. And I think I'm just gonna swap out the front suspension with the other suspension that I have. It's the same height. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Check it out. Well, right here, I got like a little bit. And I'm getting tired of my mud flap breaking. It already broke twice. This is the second pair. Front is gonna stay the same. I'm just gonna add on the rear Forester springs, and in the front is just another a pair of WRX struts. That's it. Also, the Forester top hats is what I'm gonna replace as well, because I think it has just WRX top hats on the back. I'm gonna replace the top hats. All right. So we got this car ready. We got jack, some ramps, and all the stupid stuff that I need to get. So Forester springs, because I'm sick of breaking stuff on it. Spring retainers, I forget what they're called. Compressors, there you go. And then those right there, those are some STI struts with the lowering springs. If anybody wants to purchase those, hit me up. I don't think I'm gonna have any use for those anytime soon. And these are just another WRX front pair, so I don't know if I want to do the front pair yet. I don't know if I need to at this moment, but I definitely need to raise the rear end a little bit, because I hate scraping my exhaust and breaking my mud flaps. It's really annoying, so let's get going.
Bet your life on it. He got the ice on it. We're still got the sights on it. That walking stigma, that imperfect guys. Still feeling stuck every single night.
Got the car raised. We're gonna take the lugs off. I already broke them loose with the breaker bar. We're probably gonna need another 12mm for the bolts that go on there. And I believe a 19mm for the bolts that go through here. And so hopefully we get a move on. Pretty easy, straightforward. There's other things that I also want to do to the car, like make sure some of the rattles, like the emergency brake lines, are tight down correctly, because I know they're not, because when I did the swap for the rear disc, I kind of half-assed it and some of them are just dangling. I know that's gonna piss you guys off a lot, but I had time, so now I have a little bit of time to do this, and hopefully I get to do this before dinner, because I'm starving right now. I'm gonna eat some graham crackers. So I'm not gonna record me taking all this stuff off. I'm gonna record when I have the strut out, and we'll get from there. Okay, so be right back, guys. Alright, so I've only done one side, and it was a bigger pain in the ass. As usual, there's always something wrong with it. My problem was, ooh, look at that glow. What do I look like? Look at that glow. My problem is the spring compressors weren't big enough, and that the actual, sorry, I just ate. I needed a little break and some food in my system because I was running low. But the I got it to get on there, so I'm about to install the actual strut with the Forester spring on it already, and I'll show you what that looks like in a few moments. All right, I just gotta bring everything out of my trunk because I didn't want anything to get stolen. As you can see, everything is in there. There's nothing on the floor. All right, hold on one moment. So it's nighttime now. finally finished. Hopefully you guys can see what it looks like now. I'm definitely not gonna be scraping my muffler anymore on anything. That's the one thing I really hated. And then I broke 2 freaking mud flaps, and that's really annoying because that's money out of my pocket. And let's see what you guys think. So I don't remember if you guys remember what the front looks like, but there goes the front. There goes the rear. So I'm gonna take it on a little drive right now just to see how good it feels, and we'll be back. Alright, so we're gonna take the little first test drive right now, see how it feels. I mean, before I feel like I'm kind of like tilting upwards. Before I had STI rear struts with the Forester springs, and I actually went autocrossing with that one day, and that was awesome actually. So right now I'm with the WRX. Oh, that's the noises of the tools. That's all the tools that I have in the back right now. There's actually only the little kerplunks are from the initial. I don't know what that is actually, but it feels good. It doesn't feel too bouncy. It doesn't feel too stiff because it was like 3 inches of spring that was extra on top of it. Well, that stopped. My bad. The radio started playing music connected to my Bluetooth. But on first feels really good. I know you guys can't see me right now, but it feels really good. And let's go through bumps right here. You're probably gonna hear the little tick ticks. This is actually the test right here because I keep breaking my shit on my driveway. But it actually feels really good. I mean, I probably won't lower my stuff anymore until I buy coilovers, but it feels initially really, really good. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. If you guys got any questions or comments down below, let me know. I'll try to help answer you guys. This is actually the real test because this is where I break it. Nope, no broken. Yep, not even close. Nope, nada. That's my power steering. And let's see, another test. Do I scrape? Nope, I hit all the way to the end. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys want any questions answered, hit me up. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you on the next one. Tomorrow I'm just gonna be installing new front struts. I'm not gonna show that. It's really simple. You can watch that from any WRX video install period. But like I said, I'm not lowering my car any more than what it is right now until I get coilovers, and that's gonna be a long time from now. But I really want to build this to be a turboed NA car, if that makes any sense. So thank you guys. Peace.